Hey everyone, welcome to this banana farm. Friends, here the farmer grows healthy, fresh, and organic bananas. And the farmer using organic method, organic farming from planting to harvesting. Every step is done with care to ensure top quality. So, friends, you can see the atmosphere in the banana farm is very natural and I'm feeling very good soothing here. It is very stress free, you can see. And friend, bananas are not a delicious, they are rich in nutrients. You can eat in the morning. And actually I like banana. After my breakfast I take for the well digestion. You can eat one banana daily or two bananas daily after your breakfast as well your lunch. Friends, stay tuned to learn farming tips and you can learn English with me because I use a basic sentences while making my English blog and the short sentences with the basic meanings and advanced meanings. You can see into the into my YouTube channel's short list. There lots of the shorts I upload daily and which is advanced, basic to advanced. So if you want to learn English, if you become your English basic to advanced, enhance your English basic to advanced, then don't forget to hit on subscribe button, and it is totally free, friends. So take care, bye bye, have a nice day.